All right, let's go to Raymond is on the line from Milton, Florida. Raymond, what is your question tonight? How can we help you?
Yeah, I want to ask you a question in reference to the HIPAA law. If a person has the coronavirus and died, and then they don't reveal a person's name, is it right for the person who may have contracted it from the person who died to not know who the person was who gave them the virus? You know, in other words, there's a lot of people who are dying, but no name is being revealed. So
right.
How would you know if this person didn't affect you and now you don't know who it was?
Right. Yeah, I tell you what, and I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. This is way over my pay grade when it comes to this. This is kind of, this is kind of new territory for everybody, and it's how HIPAA is going to coordinate or interact when it comes to all this. I'll just be honest with you, I don't know. We saw something similar to this, years ago with the HIV crisis, where someone would, get charged with a crime for infecting someone when they knew that they had the virus, and they never told the other individual. And we saw some criminal action when it came to that. This is brand new territory that I'm not sure how the HIPAA laws will coordinate, but we're going to find out more. But I mean, I do know that there have been a lot of cases that in certain parts of the country that have not even been reported yet. So as time goes by, we're going to hear about more and more and more cases. But it's something to keep track of, and hopefully everyone will figure it out later. But this is new ground, and it's hard to kind of judge what's going to happen from this point forward.
Yeah, and Raymond, I'll chime in. I'm not entirely sure how Florida health officials are handling this, but this question has come up multiple times in Mobile County, and I have heard Mobile County health authorities say that if it is a confirmed COVID-19 death, that health officials are tracking some of their movements. And so if you had direct contact with that person or when worked with them in a close proximity, that health officials would track you down to let you know that you have been in close contact. That's how at least it is working in Mobile County. That's what officials here have said. Not sure entirely how health officials in Florida are handling. I imagine it would be something similar, though.
No, and Andrew, you bring up a good point. And I think Florida's doing the same thing. The problem that we have is some of these cases, they try to track them, but you just simply do not know where the person came in contact, when they were infected. Did you get it at church? Did you get it at a grocery store? Did you get it when you were out of town? And so they can do as much tracking as they possibly can, but that's only limited to a degree.